Chapter 10. Average. Get ready. The word average is very common in our day-to-day life. We often used to say that Seema is a student of average height. Reena is an average student in her class. My father's average income is rupees 6,000 per month, etc. What does it mean? When we collect at least two or more than two similar information, quantities, number, data, we try to find such type of information which lies between the lowest and the highest value of the collected information. This information in mathematics is called average. The two main points regarding the average are: the average is found only of the similar quantities or information or data. The average number lies between the smallest and the largest given quantities. Properties of average. The sum of the total quantities is equal to the product of the average and the number of quantities. If the equal quantity is added to each of the given quantities, the average is also increased by the quantity added. If equal quantity is subtracted from each of the given quantities, the average is also decreased by the quantity subtracted. Sum of quantities equals average multiplied by the number of quantities. How do we find the average? To find the average of at least two or more than two quantities of the same kind, first find the sum of all the quantities and then divide it by the total number of quantities. The quotient is called the average of the quantities given. Average equals sum of the quantities by number of the quantities. Observe the following examples. Example: find the average of 40, 42, 30, 65, 35 and 46. Solution: sum of the given observations equals 40 plus 42 plus 30 plus 65 plus 35 plus 46 equals 258. Number of observations equals 6. Therefore, average equals sum of all observations divided by total number of observations equals 258 divided by 6 equals 43. Therefore, average equals 43. Example: the average of 8 numbers is 64. If 3 of the numbers are 51, 80 and 86, find the average of the remaining 5 numbers. Solution: sum of the 8 numbers equals 64 times 8 equals 512. Sum of the 3 given numbers equals 51 plus 80 plus 86 equals 217. Therefore, sum of the remaining 5 numbers equals 512 minus 217 equals 295. Thus, average of the remaining 5 numbers equals 295 divided by 5 equals 59. Example: find the average of 1 and 3 by 5, 5 and 1 by 3, 7 and 2 by 5, 2, and 2 and 2 by 3. Solution: sum of the numbers equals 1 and 3 by 5 plus 5 and 1 by 3 plus 7 and 2 by 5 plus 2 and 2 by 3 equals 8 by 5 plus 16 by 3 plus 37 by 5 plus 2 plus 8 by 3. Take LCM of denominators 5 and 3 is 15, equals 24 plus 80 plus 111 plus 30 plus 40, whole divide by 15 equals 285 by 15. Total numbers equals 5. Therefore, average equals 285 by 15 divided by 5 equals 285 by 15 multiplied by 1 by 5 equals 19 by 5 equals 3 and 4 by 5.